So this report, it lays a foundation for a just and equitable climate response, and we now have the most advanced analysis from Maryland's best scientists to give us the full suite of options and opportunities to realize Maryland's nation-leading climate goals. The release of this report, it marks the beginning of a public comment period where we're going to be seeking feedback from all Marylanders.
Our job here was to help understand what those pathways might look like for us to achieve our goals here in Maryland, namely a 60% reduction by 2031 and a net zero economy by 2045. The value of our doing this type of conversation, of illustrating kind of what the pathway might look like, inviting comment, getting feedback, making adjustments as we need to. That's part of, I think, how we make sure that we're paying the right attention to the right people and places in our state.